Far from Antalya's busy streets, Köprülü Canyon cuts a dramatic path through the Taurus Mountains. Towering cliffs rise above emerald waters that twist and turn through the gorge. The sound of rushing rapids blends with the hush of the forest. Pine trees blanket the canyon walls, filling the air with fresh, resinous scents. Eagles glide silently overhead, and mountain goats balance on rocky ledges, turning the landscape into a scene of wild wonder. Every bend of the river promises new secrets to explore. Whether rafting through the rapids, hiking hidden trails, or simply pausing to breathe in the views, Köprülü Canyon reminds you that true adventure lies in the heart of nature's raw beauty.